'Cause I literally just saw one nice slow morning video. But the truth is that I don't mind talking. Can we not have another falling down incident? Because personally, can't really handle it. I really don't understand the whole friendship dynamic. I don't know if it's just me that most times I feel like I'm the wrong person in every situation. But maybe I'm just writing up. I know everybody's open to change and staying stagnant is like not the way. I just remember when my dad was alive. I just remember. At this point in my life, I don't even know my today from tomorrow. I know that's like a bad thing. It's also like a medium thing. Salt? Salt? I need a real job. Before I posted my cookies yesterday, I was super moody. Like, I didn't even like the video anymore. But you know what I did? I quickly finished up the editing and posted it, even though I wasn't feeling the mood. And another thing is that I don't know what I'm doing in my life. Everybody's getting like a serious job, or like I have a job. It's serious, but it's not like say okay. Let me just be honest. I kind of work in real estate, so but I'm doing like digital marketing there. And because I'm doing content on the side, I just know that it's not like a serious, maybe because I've not monetized my YouTube yet, but that's just how I feel. I feel like everybody knows what they're doing with their life or know where they want to go, but I know where I want to go. When I say it, it doesn't sound serious. It doesn't change that I want it though. It doesn't change how bad I want it and everything. But then I was thinking the other day, when you have a goal to get something and then you finally get that thing, and I don't want to get to the point where I get my goal and I'm like, what next? But another thing is that life is in stages. So by the time I get to that phase, I would know what next. Would I? I can't plan out my life. I'm just 20 something. But I don't want to figure it out though. Anyway, I'm still going to bake. I'm going to bake sad, bake tired, bake confused. Me see that that da. I'll leave it to cool because I can't mix it hot. Ah, So I successfully messed up the place. You guys just remember what I didn't add. Cocoa powder. I was watching a YouTube channel the other day where they were talking about marriages and like separation and divorce and all those things. And the YouTube channel, I think it's Cruise, and they were talking about how there's a particular woman that said she will not leave her husband even if he's abusing his kids. I mean sexually or any other means, do you get that she knows he deserves a punishment, but that's her husband. I already know that that's impossible because I feel like I'll always prioritize my kids. Like that's just the experience I had being like the first over like your partner. But then I now went to the salon the other day and I saw two women. They were also talking about this topic where they were just like, check it. No person that is divorced is actually happy. They won't tell you the real thing. Then one of the women outside, oh, my husband might not treat me so nice. He might not be so loving, but the way he is to other people, he's such a nice person. He's a good man. He's a good man, Savannah. A good man. Now that I'm thinking about it, or even talking about it, like what makes a good man for marriage? Because I personally would prefer someone that's treating me really nice instead of seeing how he's treating every other person around him. That's actually worse. Because do you hate me? Or you just want to use me for kids? Now this for like women. I mean, there's mommy's boy and then there's mommy's boy. When I say mommy's boy, I mean tattoo her name boldly on my arm like nobody would ever reach her. I don't have a problem with you loving your mother, but because you kind of already stated that you don't know the difference, you don't know how to individually give those two people in your life different types of. I can't be like my dad was like top priority. Anyway, to each their own. But yeah, can you date a mommy's boy? So I'm going to set another timer for 10 minutes because I put it in the oven. You guys, let me tell you how I ask myself questions when I don't want to go out. Do you want to go upstairs right now, dress up, and go out and see this person? And I'm like, no. Like, do you want to leave your. I think they're done. I don't want them to bake too much. So I'm taking it out right now. And these are the mini cookies. I think I should let this cool a little bit more. Oh, the chocolate came under. The chocolate is. Mm. So finally have my cookie. I put like a nutty chocolate inside. And it's not really what I like, but I wanted to just try it out. That's why I made it like mini cookies. And the chocolate is just all under, so that's why it keeps sticking under the pan. So I want to start editing right now.